Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to the Boss Life channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to buy Toncoin on Telegram wallet. So first you are going to click P2P, and here since we are buying you have to click buy, and you have to make sure that this method verification currency and crypto is all correct. Method verification currency and crypto. So methods, you can use both Airtel, MTN or bank transfer mostly, and you can also check the verification. The person you are buying Ton from must have all the verification just in case, and you must click the currency from your country in case you are from Kenya, UAE, Nigeria, India, Pakistan, Philippines, whatever. You have to click on your currency so that you buy Ton from the currency, from your currency. And also the crypto, you must click Ton since we are buying Ton. And here you are going to fill in the amount of Toncoin you are going to buy. So for me, I want for 10,000, and I'll go ahead and put on that. So here pops up the person who is selling that Ton. So click here buy, and as you can see, these are the details of the person who is going to sell me Ton. And here I'm going to fill in the amount of Toncoin that I want in my currency. So I want Toncoin for 10,000 Ugandan shillings. And as you can see, this person is selling Ton from 10,000 to 236,000 whatever, and these are the details of this person stuff. So we are going to click back, and as you can see, this person also includes some other details, send, auto, withdraw charges. Make sure all your details match all your business and should be added on the app. Don't mention crypto on mobile money. So this person is genuine since he or she wants to complete that transaction and everything in the Telegram app. So what you are going to do is to click buy, and this person will take around 5 to 10 minutes to accept my transaction. As you can see, the seller must confirm the order within 10 minutes after its creation. So I'm going to click create order. Okay, and once I click create order, the seller is going to accept my order, and once he confirms my order, I'll confirm the transaction and I'll receive Ton on my Telegram wallet. So that is what we are waiting right now. Seller has now accepted my order, so I'll go ahead and click I made payment right after I make payment in my Airtel money. So go ahead and click I made payment. Right, you are going to see shows file just to confirm your payment. So take a picture of that and upload it. After uploading, the confirmation message will appear. So click confirm and send. Right, you are going to see waiting for confirmation. So the seller just released my Toncoin, as you can see. So open P2P market to see whether the Toncoins have arrived. So you guys